Well, here we are. We finished another green candle day for XRP. It basically has been the trend over the last week and a half or so. But the big news isn't what's happening in front of us right now in terms of price. The big news is what is happening behind the scenes. And guys, it is huge. And what it's showing us is that the fun is only just beginning. And I want to break this down for you guys, show you exactly what's going on. So if you are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So yeah, over the last week and a half or so, it's been almost all green. Guys, this is very reminiscent of what we were seeing in November when XRP just decided to moon and run, what was it, 400%, 500% in a very short period of time. There was very little red along the way. And we've now gotten to this point where we were in such an extended period of consolidation and such an extended period of accumulation that there is such little sell pressure in the market. At any point, the market could just break wide open and we could go on a run. And now this isn't a guarantee or financial advice or anything like that, but I think today was just showing us how much good news we still have ahead of us in terms of XRP and in terms of the crypto market in general. For those who missed the big news today, if you missed my earlier video, what we did in fact see was the House approve or pass the procedural vote on the Clarity Act, the Genius Act, and the anti-CBDC bill, meaning that there is in fact going to be there's going to be discussions and debates going on until probably later tomorrow. And then there will be a vote that is going to be taking place that this time it sounds like is likely to pass. And that's a big step forward for Embrace here in the US for crypto. And obviously that's where XRP has a huge chance to shine. And guys, the big entities know that. They have been buying in a way you have not seen in a very long period of time. In fact, what we've seen in just the last 2 weeks alone is 2.2 billion XRP accumulated during that time. This is surging whales towards all-time highs in terms of holdings. It's not really a surprise. They're prepping for the next big wave in crypto. That means spot ETF approvals. That means retail coming to the space. And right now they want prime positioning. That's what it's all about, is getting in early before the masses. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now. But guys, there's something else I wanted to show you here as well. And it has to do with XRP Exchange Supply. So we did just start the new daily candle here, I believe. Yeah, the new daily candle or so. And what we have seen is just a very big outlier over the last 7 days in terms of removal of supply from exchanges. We haven't seen this type of concentration of removal since probably back here in May or so. I mean, more specifically, even all the way back here in late 2024. Because if we take a look at this weekly candle here, what we are seeing is right now we're on pace to actually have the largest week of exchange supply removal in 2025. That's a really big deal. We're only through Wednesday, and we've already seen $166 million worth of XRP removed from exchanges. This is a pretty big deal, and it's a massive shift in terms of fundamentals in the crypto market. What you need to know about this is this means we're likely to have a huge, massive supply shock around the crypto market, okay? The days of, these big 20, 30, 50, maybe not 50 because XRP has gotten so big, but 20, 30% candles, not completely off the table, all right? What is also making this possible is that when we look at open interest in terms of XRP, guys, these shorts will not go away. And I find it comical at this point that they keep trying to just push the market down. Still a 5% imbalance to the short side. Yes, over the last 4 hours, we did get some long leverage liquidations, but look at this, 24 hours. It's almost a 2-to-1 ratio of shorts wrecked versus longs wrecked. This has been a very recurring theme, and this is what we continue to see around the crypto market. All right, they're not going away. They think that things are still going to crater, that we're going to get some push down, and unfortunately, it's not working out that well for them. So that's kind of where we're at. I'm curious to see where things head overnight. Hopefully, we can get another green push, another overseas assist to the next levels. But I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.